In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Python code in Replit, full guide. We'll start on the Replit homepage. From here, you can browse starter templates to choose the right environment for what you want to build. First, open the Web App category to see options geared toward browser-based projects. Next, take a quick look at Mobile App, then Data App, and 3D Game to get a feel for the different stacks available. You can also check out Agents and Automations for workflow-style projects, and General for more traditional programming starters. Once you've explored the categories, come back to Web App, which is where we'll set up a Python project that runs in the browser with a live preview. Use the search bar to narrow down the templates. Click into the search field and type a relevant phrase, then look for the option called Create a Simple Python Website. Click that template. Replit will spin up your project and open the workspace. You'll see the files on the left, the editor in the center, and a console and preview on the right. This environment is pre-configured so that your Python code can run and serve a web page, and you'll be able to see logs and output as it executes. Open the Build tab to focus on your code. If the interface prompts you or you navigate it away, click Build again to ensure the editor is front and center. This is where you'll write and modify your Python files and see changes reflected in the preview as the server updates. Switch to the Plan tab when you want to organize your work. Open the panel labeled Ask Questions. Plan your work to capture goals, jot down tasks, or note issues you want to investigate. This keeps your to-do items beside your code, which is handy as you iterate. If you need to revisit your notes, click back into Plan at any time to refine your list. When you're ready to move forward, go to Make, Test, Iterate. This is your rhythm. Inside Replit, make a change in Python, watch the console for any errors or print statements, and verify behavior in the live preview. Small, frequent updates help you catch issues early and keep your flow steady. Finally, head over to Publish. Click Publish to prepare your project for sharing. Review the details, such as the title, description, and visibility, and make any adjustments that help others understand what your Python app does. Confirm your choices and click. Publish again to deploy. Replit will provide a link you can share, and your Python code is now running and accessible online. That's the full walkthrough, from choosing the right template to building, planning, iterating, and publishing your Python project